Hello and good morning. I here want to do a little integral, which I've labeled as a tricky little integral, and you'll see why in a moment. So we want to evaluate I, the integral, equal to the integral of 1 minus sine 2 theta over 1 plus sine 2 theta between the limits 0 and pi upon 4, the integral being with respect to theta. So first of all, I'm going to make a substitution and let u equal pi upon 4 minus theta. So that means du equals minus d theta, and theta is pi upon 4 minus u. And then the integral quite easily transforms to the integral between pi upon 4 and 0 of 1 minus sine pi upon 2 minus 2u over 1 plus sine pi upon 2 minus 2u. And the new variable of integration is du, but because du is minus d theta, I have a minus sign outside the integral at the front. And as for the limits, well, when theta is pi upon 4, u is obviously 0, and when theta is 0, u is pi upon 4. Then the next step, I've removed the minus sign and switched the limits. So, and then the integrand part becomes 1 minus cos 2u over 1 plus cos 2u. And then the next step is that becomes the integral between 0 and pi upon 4 tan squared u du. Now, for those of you who are bamboozled by that last step, I've put a note down at the bottom of the page in red paint to explain that step. It is not very difficult. Okay, and then continuing from there, I've replaced tan squared u by sec squared u minus 1, and then integrating sec squared u, that's tan u, and integrating 1, that's u, and our limits are 0 and pi upon 4, and on substituting those limits, we get quite easily 1 minus pi upon 4, and that does it. And thank you very much for listening.